Shiba Inu coin is having a gorgeous day today, and we are going to talk about it. Guys, this is exactly how price behavior looks. Hello guys. We're glad you're back at Wealthy Coin, the best place to learn about Shiba Inu coin and other cryptocurrencies every day. In today's movie, we're going to talk about Shiba in the future, so pay attention because you won't want to miss this. If you are new to the channel, make sure to follow and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and can also enter our giveaway. Please keep in mind that this is not a movie about money. This is exactly the kind of fun. This is just what we need to see for Shiba Inu coin to start moving back up. Now we're going to compare it to what we saw in 2021. I'm not going to jump the gun. Don't be afraid. I'm not going to say that the price of a Shiba Inu coin will go back up to 8,800 points by the end of the week, the end of the month, or any other time. But this is what people need to see to get excited, and this is what we need to see for prices to keep going up. Let's discuss it. Watch out for the SEC right now if it sounds like something you might be interested in. We'll talk about some of the technical aspects of Shiba Inu coin and then look at some of the numbers that back this move higher, like volume, excitement, and so on. Depending on where you look, you might see a Shiba Inu coin. If you go to Kucoin Shiba Inu coin, you'll see that it dropped a lot after hearing that the SEC was suing Coinbase, which it did in a big way. So Kucoin has it going back down to the top 400 guys at 400 points per coin. We haven't seen that number since before the price of a coin went up to 4,500 points in May of 2021. It hasn't gotten that bad yet. If you look at how the Shiba Inu coin did on Webull's website, you'll see that it dropped to about 536 points per coin. Since May of 2021, 512 points per coin have been hit on the Weebly app. But we are at or have reached the lowest point since Shiba Inu coin became famous. Now, to make an easy comparison, whether you're looking at Kucoin or Webull's Shiba Inu coin, it hit its lowest point since it became known, which I think was in June or July of 2021. After running out of Shiba Inu coins, the price of autumn rose slowly and gradually, and then it took off. People and traders may notice if it slowly gets back to this bottom and starts to rise again today. If it continues to rise slowly, people and traders may take notice. Now, I'm not the kind of person who thinks that just because a cryptocurrency, stock, or other object did well in the past, it has to do the same thing again and again. Historical performance doesn't tell us anything about what will happen in the future. But if we look at this double bottom, traders use these technical levels of support as opportunities to buy. And if they see that they can get in at the absolute bottom when Shiba Inu coin became popular, they will use that as an opportunity to buy, which is what they are doing right now. The SEC lawsuit against Coinbase led Shiba Inu coin to drop, and it is now rising again. Today, we're seeing daily gains of more than 10% as Shiba Inu coin prices hit around 750 points per coin, breaking through recent resistance once again. Now, the good news is that Shiba Inu coin won't hit big resistance levels until we get to about 850 points per coin. And if Shiba Inu coin goes up to 850, we can make another 15% or more before Shiba Inu coin starts to have problems. Beyond 1,000 points per coin, guys, it might not be easy to get back up there, but from where we were last week, that would mean the price doubled. You would have had to spend about a week's worth of Shiba Inu coins and double your money to get to the second level of resistance there. And you guys might know about the next levels of pushback around 1,200 points per coin, 1,500 points per coin, and so on. I'm not going to sit here and say that the Shiba Inu coin will soon get those levels back. I do think that the cryptocurrency market as a whole, as well as the way we think about it, needs to change. For Shiba Inu coin to be so popular as it was in 2021. But this is just what we need to see bottoms being met. Now, however, there is some good news out there. One more number I want to talk about before we get to the good news is that the amount of Shiba Inu coins is up more than 150% from one day to the next. Now, it's still low compared to how much Shiba Inu coins were traded in the past, but they're worth about $150 million, which is a 150% rise. So not only is this price action going up, but it is also happening on rising and increasing volume. This means that traders are sure that buying is the right thing to do, and that this is the right way. And if it keeps going on, you guys shouldn't just sit there and wait for this thing to blow up. Prepare to make a deal. If a lot of buyers are buying Shiba Inu coins again and they think the bottom has been reached. Now, guys, there are a few things to look forward to. Lawsuits. Okay, Shiba Inu coin hasn't been named in a case yet, but Coinbase and Finance are both getting hit. Hits are coming to Terraform Labs and Terra Luna Classic. When it comes to making rules and regulations for the cryptocurrency market, it doesn't look like Congress is going to do a very quick job or any job at all. We may have to wait for the judges in these litigations and suits with the SEC and different cryptocurrency exchanges to sort of lay the groundwork. Whether that happens this year, next year, or in 3 years, if we get a framework, guidelines, or whatever you want to call them, if we get that infrastructure that we can work with, then institutional investors may start pouring into the cryptocurrency space as a whole. Small investors might once again trust what they are getting. And if that's the case, oh my gosh, these prices we're seeing right now are going to be amazing steals. I only want to know one thing, though. Do you guys buy Shiba Inu coins, or are you still unsure and just watching? Guys, that's all the news we have for you today. How do you feel about Shiba Inu? Join in, and let us know what you think in the comments. Those of you who like this video should give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss any new videos, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. That way, we'll let you know the next time we post a video about the latest Shiba Inu coin and cryptocurrency news. Until then, you can watch our other Shiba Inu coin videos. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next movie. Goodbye.